helicopters that keep ringing my phone. Well, I don't know if I'm coming or going, if it's them or me. Oh, but one thing's for certain, Willie Nelson only smokes killer weed. Now they're breaking my windows, banging on my door. Got me down and hogtied, rifling through my drawers. Boss demon tells me, oh, how he would like to kill me. Save your bullets, tough guy. My disease does that for free.